Everybody, is this screen visible to all? Excel worksheet is visible to all? Yes, Arshia, Jasleen, Rishti, is Excel worksheet is visible? Okay. Okay, yesterday we had learned about the sorting feature and the sorting, advanced sorting with that will have multiple columns and single column. Similarly, we had learned about the filter feature. We will revise those two features again, once again in this class. And in addition to that, we are going to learn about conditional formatting and goal seek feature. Okay. Okay. First of all, I told you yesterday we can do the conditional formatting. That means we can format the cells according to certain criteria, according to certain condition. We can set a condition. If that condition, if the data matches to that condition in the cell, that cell will be formatted according to that. Okay. Whether I had typed the cell, whether I had typed the data in advance, or whether I have to type the data later on, even then I can apply the conditional formatting on the empty cells also. I can apply the conditional formatting on empty cells, and when I enter the data will be formatted according to those criteria or according to those conditions. Okay. Here I had already typed a few rows. Okay. I'm going to format them. Suppose I want to highlight the cells of those students जिनके marks 95 से above हैं. The students who got the marks greater than 95, they should be highlighted in different color. And the students who got the marks less than 20, less than 30, they should be highlighted in different colors. So for doing that, we will select the cells, go to the conditional formatting option in styles group, home tab, styles group, highlight cell rules. Here, few conditions are there: greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains. We can format the text also, or a date, or duplicate value. I want to highlight the duplicate values, the students who are having the same marks. Okay, and first of all, I'm going to give greater than. Here, type the value to compare, that is 95. Then format light red, yellow fill, green fill, light red fill, red text, or red border. Or you can go to the custom font. Custom format, it will open here the format cell dialog box. Choose the color that you want. Okay. Font color that you want to use. Fill. Choose the fill color that you want to use. Then if you want to give border, you can choose the border also. And then click on OK. Now click OK. You will see the formatting, the which we had chosen. Okay. Similarly, I can again select these cells. I can go to the for conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, less than. I'm giving less than 30. And I'm choosing the by default formatting, that is light red fill and dark red text. Okay. Now this. If I make changes in any particular cell, they will be highlighted automatically. Okay. If I want to have the cells who are getting marks between 80 to 90. Okay. I'm continuing this one. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules between. I want to highlight the cells who are having marks between 90 to 95. Click OK. And that formatting will be applied, 90 to 95. Here no marks is there. I can enter the marks. I'm doing this formatting on these cells also so that I can enter the values later on. Conditional, fill, Similarly, less than 30. Okay. Now, if I enter the values here later on, empty cells पे मैंने formatting apply की है. Now I'm going to enter the values. 93, you can see it is green now. 45, 65, 89, 98. See, formatting blue color में अपने आप आ रही है. If I am having marks less than 30, you can have select all the ranges, whatever range 80 to 90, 90 to 80, 100, then 70 to 80. You can give the different formatting to the different range of cells. Like this. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. We can have the by default formatting also. If we do not want to give the formatting on your own, आप अपने आप नहीं choose करना चाहते हो colors, so you can choose the formatting of by default. Like suppose I want to highlight, I had selected this total. I'm going to conditional formatting. Here, top and bottom rules are there. Top 10 items, top 10%, top bottom 10 items. यानी अगर आपके पास 50 to 100 या कितने cells है, तो top 10 जितने हैं, they should be highlighted automatically. So here I'm having a less than number of records are less, so I cannot use a top 10 items. Below average, above average. That means above how many average it will automatically calculate, and then highlight those cells who are having above average. Okay, then I can have the data bars. I can set the new rule also. Data bars, what it will do? It will show you the data bars like this within the cell. You can say कि जितने मार्क्स ज्यादा है उतनी ज्यादा डाटा बार की लेंथ जो है वो ज्यादा है. Okay, data bars. Then we can have icon sets. Suppose I'm removing the conditional formatting. Clear rules. Okay, now I'm selecting again these cells and I'm using the by default a few things. Color scales. Automatically color scales are there. It will automatically pick the range, automatically adjust the values according to those. You can see 90s में आपके पास pink color में आ रहे हैं, 89 में जो 80s में marks they are in less light pink. Different color schemes are there. You can choose any color scheme to highlight the cells. Is automatically taking the range. We are not specifying any range. Whatever range it feels like, it will take that range. ठीक है, हम स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे हैं रेंज को. इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली पिक अप द रेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द वैल्यूज. Okay, then we can have the icon sets like this. Different icon sets are given for different kind of values, different range of values. Is it clear? You can unmute yourself to ask anything, or you can raise your hand. Icon sets, color scales, data bars. Gradient, solid fills. Automatically you can see marks के accordingly range आपकी data bars का fill जो है वो कम या ज़्यादा हो रहा है. If I take this, suppose I'm increasing the marks or decreasing the marks. Suppose I'm giving it here 35. It will automatically decrease the data bar. Okay, clear? Okay, I'm going to delete the cells of marks of computer. Now we are going to use the goal seek feature. What is the use of goal seek feature? Goal seek feature is used to set the values of a particular cell depending on the final value. If I want, suppose I want कि मेरे पास जो final percentage यहाँ आ रही है first roll number की, that is 44.8. I want कि मेरी percentage 50% होनी चाहिए. जो मेरी percentage है total marks का, that should be 50%. If I want to get the marks of 50%, that means how many marks I should get in computer? मुझे कंप्यूटर में कितने मार्क्स चाहिए कि मेरी जो परसेंटेज है दैट शुड राइज टू 50%. तो दैट आई वांट टू कैलकुलेट. फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे पास यहाँ पे 48.6% मार्क्स है रोल नंबर 2 के. आई वांट कि मेरी जो परसेंटेज है दैट शुड बी एटलीस्ट 55%. तो हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आई शुड गेट इन कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट so that I can get the 55% marks. Okay, for calculating these kind of values, we use the goal seek feature. Okay, goal seek feature, this is my goal. What should be the value in particular cell? If that means that goal should be satisfied to satisfy that particular goal. Okay, so what will we do? We will select the data tab. Okay, what if analysis. What if analysis. In my version of Excel, it is given in forecast group, but in your books, it is written, it is data tools group. Check in your books, data tab, data tools group is written. Okay, that means they are using the version, separate version is there, different version is there, 2013 is there, but in my version, I'm using 2016. So here it is given in forecast group. So you can check in your computers, you can check in your laptops or computer desktops. According to the version, there may be a change in the group, but the option is same, what if analysis. Okay, click here and choose the goal seek feature. Okay, now set cell, which cell you want to set. I want to set this I4. It is automatically written because my cursor pointer was there. To value, कितनी value चाहिए इसके लिए? I want 50%. By changing cell, किस cell की value change करके आपको इतनी value चाहिए? You can enter G4 or you can click here and choose G4 and click it back. Okay, click OK. You can see it is automatically calculating कि मुझे कंप्यूटर में 26 marks चाहिए so that my total can be 250 and then my percentage will be 50%. See again, I'm doing it again. Suppose I want to get 60% marks in this second roll number. I click on what if, goal seek, G5. No, I want to have, click on this black color arrow. Click here. I5 कि मुझे I5 की वैल्यू सेट करनी है किस पे 60% पे 60 पे एंड बाय चेंजिंग सेल किस सेल को चेंज करना है क्लिक हियर दैट एड्रेस इज फिल्ड क्लिक अगेन नाउ सेट सेल I5 to value 60% by changing G5 that is computer marks. Click OK. Now it is calculating that I should get 57 marks so that I can get the 60% marks. This is goal seek feature. It can be used in bills also. Suppose मेरा total जो है bill का बन रहा है suppose 2025. So I want to pay 1970. So what should be the discount? कितना डिस्काउंट होना चाहिए कि मेरा जो नेट अमाउंट है तो that should be 1970. So we can use the goal seek feature in many these kind of examples are there, many options, many fields are there where we can use these kind of features, goal seek. But it will apply only to one cell. It will apply. We cannot say कि हाँ कि मुझे सारे मार्क्स की रेंज बताओ, ये नहीं होगा. सिर्फ एक सेल आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो कि किस सेल में कितनी वैल्यू चाहिए, किस सेल की वैल्यू चेंज होनी चाहिए. Clear? Yes, Drishti, Samriddhi, is it clear? Jalash? Okay. All of you now will do the practice of this goal seek feature also. Again, if you want, I can show you the steps again if you want to me. Yes, Aryan, Rudra, is it clear? Lakshay? Vineet, Khushi? Okay, shall I show you the steps once again? Okay, suppose I'm clicking on this. Go to the what if analysis in data tab. Write down in your copies or underline the command. Data tab, data tools group, what if analysis. Underline it. Underline the definition also. Underline the definition also. Goal seek feature is for fixing the specific result. We are fixing the specific result, that is the percentage. Fixing the specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell. Here we are adjusting the value of computer subject marks. It is used for fixing a specific result. In our example, we are fixing the percentage by adjusting a value in another cell. Here we are adjusting the value of computer marks. Okay. Now underline the definition. Last line में दी हुई है. Click on data tab, data tools group, what if analysis drop down menu, and choose the goal seek feature. Secondly, you can apply the goal seek feature only to those cells where some formula is applied. Here percentage में हमने formula already use किया हुआ है to calculate the percentage. Okay. Now there are three options in the goal seek dialog box, that is the set value, to value by changing cells. Underline it. There are three options in the goal seek dialog box. One is set cell, that means the field that contain the cell address. You want to apply the goal seek feature, जिस पे goal seek feature apply करना है. To value, to set the value. This should be the result, this should be the final value. Then by changing value, that means the cell address of that cell where we want to change the values. Yes, Jalash?
मैडम गोल सीक पिक्चर से पहले क्या करा रही थी?
हाँ जी,
मैं गोल सीक पिक्चर से पहले क्या करा रही थी? मेरी क्लास में लग गई.
प्रैक्टिकली दोबारा करवा दूं?
हम गोल सीक पिक्चर से पहले अब क्या करा रही थी?
Type it in the chat box. Type करो बेटा. I'm not getting your voice. श्रेया आपका क्या नहीं हुआ? साथ कर रहा है. Yes, Lakshay, what's your doubt? अच्छा, before goal seek feature beta, I was doing the conditional formatting. I was doing the conditional formatting before the goal seek feature. जो हमने कल भी करी है और उसी में कुछ चीजें और बताई थी मैंने. Okay, Lakshay, what's your doubt? Type it. Increase वाला श्रेया, what? इंक्रीज वाला क्या बेटा? कल हमने फिल्टर किया था या सॉर्टिंग करी थी, दो चीजें करी थी. आई कैन रिपीट इट. ओके, कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग दोबारा करवा दूं विनीत. ओके, आई विल रिपीट द थिंग्स. ओके, अंडरलाइन हो गया सबका पहले यहाँ तक? Okay, next is printing a worksheet. How to print a worksheet? I want to print a worksheet. What will I do if I directly, अगर मैं सीधा यहाँ पे बोलूँ कि मुझे print करनी है worksheet, I can go to the file tab, go to the print option. It will show you the preview, but it will show you the preview of all the used cells. जितने भी cells मैंने use किए हैं, उन सब का दिखा रहा है मुझे preview. Now here I'm seeing कि मेरे पास columns पूरे नहीं आ रहे हैं, total and percentage, that is going to the next page like this. So here we have to make a few adjustments. Few adjustments I can make. One adjustment is I can decrease the margins to make the columns fit on a cell. I can decrease the column width. I can adjust the layout of the page. Many things are there which I can adjust. Before that you have to select the cells. आपको most probably जो आपका जो best आपका जो method रहेगा printing करने के लिए, that will be select the cells that you want to print. First of all, जरूरी नहीं है कि मुझे सारी शीट प्रिंट करनी है, मुझे जितने सेल्स का प्रिंट आउट लेना है, select those cells. Then go to the page layout tab. This is not given in your book. I'm telling you practically what is the best option to give the printing, set the cells on to print on a page. Go to the page layout tab. Here is an option, print area. Print area. Click here, set print area. Now this cells has been set for printing. Now if we go to the print preview, you will see आपके पास अब सिर्फ उतने ही सेल्स का प्रिंट आउट आ रहा है, जो एम्प्टी रोज थी उनका वो प्रीव्यू नहीं दिखा रहा है. That means these cells will be printed. These cells has been set for the printing. अगर आप पहले प्रिंटिंग करते बिना सेट करे तो आपकी जो एम्प्टी रोज आ रही थी, एम्प्टी कॉलम्स आ रहे थे, they will also get printed on a page. Now I had set it. Now again I can go to the page setup from here also, or I can set the portrait orientation to the landscape here also. It will show you like this. Page has been turned to landscape. That means width wise. Here if it is fine, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये fine है, मुझे इतना print out काफी है, मेरे पेज पे ठीक आ रहा है, then it's okay, you can go to the print option. अगर आपको still लग रहा है कि मुझे यहाँ पे कोई changes करनी है, तो you can do the few more changes. Go to the page setup. Here margins option is there. You can set the top, bottom, left and right margins, as well as you can set the header and footer margins. Header and footer margins means the headers जैसे हम word में print करते थे, similarly headers and footers can be printed on Excel worksheet also. If you do not want to print any header footer, you can decrease it to 0. ठीक है, so that means that page, that space will be saved for printing. Then you can center on a page. Here you can see कि data जो है, जो cells मेरे हैं वो center में नहीं है page के, तो I can set it horizontally or vertically, both. You can see in the preview कि मुझे horizontally और vertically center में करने हैं. मुझे horizontally करने हैं, मैंने सिर्फ horizontally पे click किया, click on OK. Now you can see this page has been adjusted. Yeah. बट अगेन अगर इफ यू वांट कि मुझे ये आपको पोर्ट्रेट में ही चाहिए, मुझे लैंडस्केप नहीं करना है, देन यू कैन एडजस्ट अ फ्यू मार्जिन्स. आई वांट इट शुड बी इन पोर्ट्रेट. पोर्ट्रेट में 2 कॉलम्स हमारे प्रिंट नहीं हो रहे थे, सो आई कैन गो टू द मार्जिन्स. आई कैन डिक्रीज अ फ्यू मार्जिन्स फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट एंड राइट and click on OK. Okay, again it is not giving. One beautiful option is there. Here scaling option is there. It is giving me 100%. I can reduce the scaling, or I can say fit to one page. मुझे एक ही पेज पे प्रिंट आउट चाहिए, I can fit to one page. जितनी स्केलिंग चाहिए वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप ले लेंगे. Click on OK. Now you can see it is fit on a one page. Page setup. Now you can see कितनी स्केलिंग करी है उसने, 85%. That means the proper 100% size है वो print नहीं होगा, थोड़ा छोटा print होगा, 85% size आएगा, but it will be fit on one page. Clear? So many settings are there. You can click on page setup. You can set the orientation according to your data. जैसा आपका data है, जैसी आपको print out चाहिए, उसके accordingly you can set it. Portrait or landscape, then it fit to one page. You can set the margins. You can go to the center on page, and few 2 tabs are in that we will discuss later on. Click on OK, and then you can give to the print, hit the print button, and you can also give the number of copies. If अगर आपको एक से ज़्यादा copy चाहिए, एक से ज़्यादा print outs चाहिए, you can set the here copies also, and then click on print button. This data will go to the printer. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Any question, any query in any feature? Okay, many students were saying about the conditional formatting. Once again, I'm selecting the data again. Now, select the data. Suppose मैं अभी सिर्फ total पे conditional formatting कर रही हूँ, so that I can highlight the total जो आपका है percentage पे, so that I can highlight the top students. So I'm going to home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than. I'm saying greater than 95, यानी जिनकी percentage 95 से greater है मुझे वो highlight करो. So I'm giving it green fill and dark green, or I can go to the custom format to give my own formatting for fill color. Okay, and I can go to the font, bold, and I can choose the font color. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now that formatting will be applied, but here you can see 95 से greater किसी के marks है ही नहीं, तो यहाँ पर इसलिए वो show भी नहीं कर रहा है. Similarly, I can highlight the cells which are having marks between 90 to 95. I can give the range 90 to 95. I want it green. Click on OK. Then I can again give the formatting between 70 to 80. Click on OK. Now you can see. I'm changing the marks. Okay, got it? Clear? Okay, that's all for today's class. Okay, in the next class, we will do the exercise of this chapter.